Hey everyone, and welcome back to this video. And in this video we are going to fix the error that we were facing in the last video of application getting crashed, right? So hey, just have a look to my code base and please tell me if I am missing on something. Maybe if any Mongo credentials I need to add, or like whatever it is, just see if everything is good or not, and if I'm good to run this application successfully or not, or will it throw any error or any crashing issue is there or whatever it is. Just check it once. Yep, let's see. I'll analyze the course base and check if any missing configuration credentials potential issue is there. So yes, it is running everything. It is seeing everything. Let's see. Run it. Yeah. What is working well? Potential issues. Yes. So this is the potential issue, right? Problem: MongoDB needs to run locally. If MongoDB isn't started, your app will crash. And here lies the problem, right? Here lies the problem. Can I use a web Mongo? Yes, absolutely, you can use map Mongo. Okay, let's go on Mongo at last. Open it. MongoDB at last. Then what I have to do? Create a free account, sign in, create a new cluster, get connection string from connect button. Okay, let's see. Get open, yaar, please. Step by step MongoDB connection string, sign up, create a cluster, set up database access. Okay, wait, let me set it up. Come on. Yeah, okay, so it has opened, right? Oh, why it is opening like this? Let's reload. Yeah, now let's sign in. Continue with Google. Continue, and let's see. So I have signed in. Create a cluster. Okay, so now I have to create a cluster. Okay, let's do it. How to create a cluster now? Cluster, we have this cluster. Let's create this cluster. Now what we have to use? Cluster 0. Okay, and tagline is optional. Create deployment, I guess. I'm not sure. Name, cluster name is WhatsApp clone. WhatsApp. Create deployment, I guess that is what we have to do, right? And database access. Okay, cool. No, back. What? Why this is happening? M30. No, I don't want to M30. I'll do this later. Do we have a cluster? We have this cluster, right? Terminate this cluster. No, let me resume this cluster now. Resume cluster. M0 cluster cannot be resumed because MongoDB version and its snapshot is too old. Okay. Cancel. Let me terminate it. Wait. Let me terminate this. Okay. Please enter the cluster name. This is the cluster name, I guess. Terminate. Yeah, so it is terminating. Your organization does not have the destination. Okay, perfect. Build a cluster. And M0. Why I'm not getting M0? What is the problem? I'm not sure. Let me build a cluster somewhere else. Maybe I'll copy this. let me build it over here. mongodb.com, sign in, Google, signing in. Okay, yeah, create a cluster. Cluster 0 will be there. Yes, perfect. M30 flex. Why not, bhai? Why not? Resume cluster. Yeah, cluster has been created. Okay, perfect. Your cluster has been created. Okay, perfect. Now if the cluster has been created, then what we have to do, set up database access. Okay, connect, maybe connect. Okay, choose a connection method. What I have to do, I don't know what I have to do. Let's ask cursor now why I am doing this. Or maybe let's ask him to make a local cluster, right? Let's ask him to make a local cluster, right? See, if we are heading, let's ask him to do one thing. Set up Mongo locally. Set up Mongo locally. I don't want to be in this jhamela. You do it for me. Okay, now it is doing some things, right? So yeah, let him set up the Mongo. Which Mongo? Run. So we have Mongo, I guess. Version. So we have version. Perfect. Now open this. Do it. Do it. Just keep on running. Run everything. Run. Run. Okay. Run. Oh, skip क्यों कर दिया? I need to run this, right? I need to run this. Why I have skipped it? Wait a minute. I need to run it. Run. Keep it. npm run dev. Let's run it. New terminal, right? And npm run dev. So yes. Reload this. Let's see it now. Hopefully it should work. Should let's see. Registration failed. Preview. Errors. Body. Please enter a valid phone number. Okay, so it's saying please enter a valid phone number, right? I want to enter Indian phone number, right? Indian phone number. तो प्लीज़ आप इंडियन फ़ोन नंबर के हिसाब से इसको सेटअप कर दीजिए. So yes, let's see now. Yes, just accept it. Accept everything. The things that you can accept, just accept it. Accept. Accept. Keep use allow list. Okay, run it. Continue. Perfect. I can see the node mode automatically restarted. Perfect. Which looks cool. Database.js. npm run dev. Okay, so it's run. No, I'll kill this. I don't want this. Run this actually. And just kill this one. I don't want this. Run this. So yeah, now it is working fine. Run. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Delete this. Delete this. Run it. And yes. So for this phone number, it is working fine. Right, excellent. The validation working fine for this phone number. So I'll copy this, all this. Perfect. Now let's reload this. Right, so I'll say Rishabh, and let's say phone number. Let's create it. Please enter valid mobile number, 10 digits starting with 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so last May 0. Okay, perfect. What now? Now it's fine, buddy. Hey yaar, I'm not playing this game, it's very bad. So what? Why? What is the error now? I've given this phone number. And it's showing me this error. What is the issue now? I see the issue phone number validation, but not validation being too strict. Yaar. I told you sometime it's mess up. Okay, no worries. Let's see it again. Will destroy it. Yeah, run it. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine. Perfect. Run. Excellent. Run. Excellent. Perfect. Now it's saying it's working. Let's see it. Front end is down. I need to run that again. Just give me a minute. New terminal. npm run def. Okay. Rishabh 33 create account. Oh yeah, it has successfully created the account. Perfect. On the other thing, let's create another account. Test. Oh, it has created the account. Discover people and see, it is showing me. See, add friend, and over here add friend. No, I guess test. Friend request is failing. Right now, friend request is failing. See, I'm hitting the API. If you see over here, friend request. See, it is failing. Why it is failing, we'll fix this later on. We'll fix this in the next video. But for now, this is added, right? For now, this is added. Let me ask him to clear the database, right? Let me ask him to clear the database and let's start fresh, right? Clear my database and let's start fresh, right? I don't want any entry in my database. We'll create all new users now. Let's see. Okay, so it is clearing with our database. Drop database. Run it. Drop it. Run it. Run it. Drop. It is dropping all the database and we'll do it. Run it. Hey, please don't hit the APIs at your end. Okay. Perfect. So now when I reload, discover people, I don't have any people. Now when I reload, I don't have any people, right? Discover people, no people found. Log out, right? And let's log out. Let's create Rishabh Sharma and create account. So yes, I have myself, right? And I'll say let me change its photo first, maybe this one, and let's say what other name? Akhil, right? Create account, discover people. So see, no, we have Rishabh, we have two Rishabhs. Okay. we have Akhil over here. Then why it's Rishabh over here? Okay, here we can see Akhil. Add friend request is failing. So we'll fix this issue in the next video, right? And so I guess things are working for you guys, right? So I'm not writing any code, any kind of code I'm not writing. It's just I'm doing the things, right? Just like this. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. We'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye and take care.